In this tutorial, we're going to configure a hover email address in Windows Live Mail using IMAP. As you can see, I already have Windows Live Mail open on my screen, and the first thing we need to do is click on Add Email Account. This will open up the Add an Email Account wizard, and I'm going to right away put a check mark next to Manually Configure Server Settings for Email Account. In the email address field, I'll type a hover email address. In this example, I'm going to set up bevis@barber.net, and I'll type in my password in the password box, and I'll type a display name as I want it to appear when I send email. So it can be your name, your nickname, full name, whatever you like. And then click Next. Under incoming server information, we need to choose my incoming mail server is a IMAP server, and the incoming server is mail.hover.com, and we'll put a check next to this server requires a secure connection SSL, and you'll see it changes the port number to 993. Log on using clear text authentication. The login ID needs to be changed. You'll see here it just put in Bevis. I actually need to type in my full hover email address. So it's bevis@barber.net. Now under outgoing server information, we're going to type in the same server for the outgoing server, which is mail.hover.com. And again, we'll put a check next to this server requires a secure connection SSL. But this time, we're going to change the port. Port 25 can be used, but many internet service providers, especially residential providers, will filter traffic over port 25. So I'm going to change this to port 465, and we'll also put a check next to my outgoing server requires authentication. Now that everything's filled in, click Next, then click Finish. Since I've set up an IMAP account, I'll automatically get a list of all of the folders that exist on our mail server for this account. I have them all shown. We can hide some if we like, but I'll leave it as is. Click OK, and there it is. Here's the inbox, all the messages on our server. Sent items as well is synchronized with our server. The great thing about IMAP is that you can set it up on multiple devices and multiple email programs like your laptop, your iPhone, your iPad, your PC, your Mac, whatever you might have, and it's always going to be synchronized. And that's it. We're done.